Can you guys hear that? The sea lions are here. We're gonna wait that the sunrise, and hopefully they're still gonna be there at that time. I can hear them though. I think society like to project the idea that the more we own stuff, the more we'll be happy. And I think a lot of people fall into this trap. I realized a long time ago that happiness has nothing to do with what you own. In fact, experience is the only thing that really makes me happy. And the least that I own, the better I feel. Oh guys, it's so cool. We saw the sea lion again. We are in totally different area than the last time I saw them. It's so funny because I never really have that much chance to see them and take picture, and now it's twice in like what, 2 or 3 weeks that we saw them. Pretty stoked about it. So you probably wonder what I'm doing this morning. I wonder the same thing, to be honest. No, seriously, it's something that I wanted to do for a while, and now that it's raining today, so I felt like it would be a great time to start this project. So under the bed I do have 3 bins. One's got tool, one has got whatever you see and you don't see because it got stuff behind me, and one who's got a starting. And this middle one is the one that I don't touch very often because it's in the middle of the bed, if you want. And it is a huge mess, and most likely maybe half of what's inside I don't use it. Probably even like the whole box, I probably barely use it. This is the box that I take out like once a year, Christmas decoration. I do have my portable little shower in the summer that I use, so this obviously gonna stay, but it's got a lot of stuff that I don't use, and I think it's time to donate. I think it's time to donate a couple of things. So I'm in a bigger town today, so I hope I can clean all the stuff that inside my van that I don't use anymore and donate to a place here in town. I do have this. Maybe I'm gonna bring that to Quebec. I feel like my mom will appreciate this more than me. I used to study in furniture making when I was after high school, and those are some of the furniture and the project that I've done. And I did some construction little project too as well. So I have a pile of this. I think I'm gonna bring that to my mom. Like, I'm not someone to keep any memories of stuff. I don't have any picture in my van. I have a couple at home in Quebec, but it's mostly because my mom wants to keep them. My mom, she's just like insane with pictures. She wants every picture possible. I think I'm gonna bring her this next time I'm going to Quebec. What I'm gonna keep absolutely in the van is those map book. I do have them for all British Columbia. Super useful when I go in the backcountry. All the roads are there. They have hiking, they have lakes, free campground, pay campground. Everything is mapped in this map book here. That's gonna be a keeper. I do have a couple book. This is just a super cheesy type of little book with all the animal in British Columbia, but sometime when I have like a little blank on the name, or I'm not sure which animal we saw or whatever, so I look in this little book. All right, we do have other book. I think this one's gonna be a donate book. It's a really great book, but I read it a couple times already, so. So, alright, so I think that's done. That was extra full and now it's half empty. I love it. Alright, I think I do have a couple of things. So, a couple of things I had to throw away. Because they were damaged or things like this. Not too much. I do have my old Dutch oven. Don't worry, not the new one, the old one that I want to donate. One book and a pile of recycled paper things that I have no idea why it's in the van right now. So we're gonna go clean that. We're gonna go donate that. Do have more stuff that I want to donate. I think it's good. Alright, recycle all done. That was great. I should come more often in those places. You can drop all your kind of pop and things like this. It's hard on the road to recycle and to separate all your paper and all your everything because but every town is different. Some town, we are lucky in British Columbia, some town beside a little garbage, public garbage, they have a recycle bin beside it. Which is great. Cans of pop and things like this, often put them beside the can. I know like homeless people or whatever, they're gonna pick it up. And if I see a homeless person going to the trash can and grab some, I always look to have like a couple in my van and I give it to them. I'm like, oh, you pick up some oh, I'm like, oh, you pick up some pups and cans and things. Like, yes, okay, I have a couple, I'm gonna give you some. And if I have a couple change or whatever, I give a little bit of money to as well at the same time. But yeah, recycling, it's something hard a road, but I try my best to do it. I should do a little extra though, I must admit. So having those places that you know on the road is great. So now we're gonna try to find a place to donate the book. Usually we do have a couple bins that you can donate clothes and books, and see what we're gonna do with the Dutch oven. Gonna find someone or a place to give it. So for those of you who like this book, is at Qualicum Beach, right here beside the building. This is a little book donation, so everyone just donate whatever they want. It's got a couple everywhere on the other end, so pretty great. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. I am gonna figure out a place to give my Dutch oven, I don't know, somewhere. I'm gonna figure that out. And there's a lot of bird. Kenny's just looking at the bird right now. Hope you enjoy guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'm gonna leave you, obviously, with Miss Kitty, who's watching the birds right now. Alright guys, see you in the next one. He's like, I'm busy looking at the birds. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, there's a lot over there. She's just hypnotized. Oh, there you go. Little movement. To warn the bird. Can we see your face a little bit? Yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, we will see you in the next one.